My joy beats. Read with me. Let's learn CVC words. Let's read together. A cat with a hat
sat on a mat
next to a fan and a big black bag.
a fat little bat.
Flew past the cat.
It flapped and it tapped on the top of the hat.
The cat said tap, tap, tap.
Come sit on the mat.
The bat said yes.
I like that. I like that.
A rat ran in with a pan in his hand. He had a jam snack that looked very grand.
Can I have jam?
Said the cat to the rat.
Of course, said the rat.
Let's share it like that.
They sat on the mat, the cat and the bat, with the rat and his pan and a jar full of jam. They laughed and they clapped and tapped, tapped, tapped. Happy and glad, it was fun they all had.
At last said the cat,
I like days like that,
with a bat and a rat
and a snack on the mat.
Ben met a red hen
In a pen with 10.
He said, hello, hen. The hen said,
Hello, Ben. The red hen said,
let's sit on the bed.
so Ben and the hen
Sat down and fed.
A little pet dog ran in from the den.
It wagged and it begged and sat by Ben.
Let's get some bread.
Said Ben to the hen.
I will get 10.
Said the happy hen.
They fed the pet and the dog said yum.
It licked and it wagged and had lots of fun.
A red pen fell from Ben's small desk. The hen said,
Oh, let's draw with the pen next.
They drew a red hen
And a big round bed.
a pet in a den.
And some fresh bread.
They laughed and they said,
This day was the best.
then Ben and the hen
Went back to rest.
So if you see Ben and his red hen,
Say hello to them.
again and again.
A pig with a wig did a dance and a jig.
He sat on a lid and smiled so big.
A kid came in with a pin and a tin.
He said, hi, pig.
Can I join in?
The pig said, yes.
Let's dig and dig.
So the kid and the pig dug a hole so big,
They found a fig.
and a little twig
They put them both.
in a shiny tin.
A big red lid.
Fell into the pit.
The pig said, oh, let's.
Get it quick. They lifted the lid with a stick so thin, then laughed and said,
That was fun to win.
the pig and the kid did a happy jig with a fig and a twig and the pig's big wig.
A dog on a log.
Sat near a fog.
He had a box and a little red sock.
A fox came by with a hop and a jog.
He said, hi, dog, can I sit on the log?
The dog said yes.
Come sit and talk.
So the fox and the dog had a nice long chat.
They had some pop and corn to munch
Then took a hop.
and went for lunch.
A big red pot.
Was hot on the top.
They put in some food and let it cook.
The fox said, look.
The pot is hot.
The dog said, yes.
Let's eat what we've got. So the dog and the fox sat on the log with a pot and some pop in the cool soft fog.
A bug in the sun.
Had lots of fun
He sat on a rug.
and ate a bun.
A pup came up with a cup to sip.
He said, hi, bug.
Come take a dip.
The bug said no.
I like the sun.
So they sat and had more fun, fun, fun.
They dug in the mud with a hug and a grin.
The pup said, wow.
Let's jump right in.
A jug fell down with a funny sound.
The bug and the pup,
Both spun around
they ran and they dug,
and sat on the rug
then shared a bun.
and gave a hug.
At last said the bug,
This day was fun,
with a pup a hug.
and lots of sun.
Let's read again. Watch more videos.